Today, we will be testing a huge chainsaw. We're going to be testing and reviewing it. Ready? Can you see the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Ready? So this is the huge chainsaw that we are testing. This thing, as you will see, it's full gas. And it's, pretty heavy, everyone. So, yeah, gotta make sure we don't damage this thing. Woo! Look at that! Oh yeah. This is a chainsaw brand power tool. With all these safety features, it has, you gotta click this back to start it up. No, I didn't put any, of course didn't pull it yet. But as you'll see, we're gonna cut down a huge tree with this in a minute. But first, you gotta make sure you have some, things, what?
Protection.
Protection. Gotta get the headphones on. And cameraman doesn't need it. No one cares about the cameraman over here. Yeah. Alright, let's start walking, everyone. Wait, grab gloves. Hold your back. Hey, don't go looking over there. I'm not showing this, but we're gonna act like we knocked down that thing right there. Yeah. Alright, you ready?
No. I can't get up these steps.
Oh yeah, everyone, we should knock this down. Woo. You can't see the log, it rolled away. it rolled away, everyone. Yeah, just knock that down. Off camera, just had to do that quickly. You know, everyone. Well, in that time it took you to get up here, I got up all these logs.
Did you now?
Yeah, I've been converting these branches into full logs with my chainsaw.
Where'd you go?
I also had time to construct this whole shed with just this chainsaw.
Me too.
In the time it took you to film that documentary, I got into some wood carving. As you can see, this one's pretty realistic here.
Sometimes they like to bite.
Sometimes I like to bite. This is my most recent piece I'm starting here. You know, soon this will turn into a chicken.
We didn't see anything. Yeah, they're like Pinocchio.